According to the author, what is the reason self-driving vehicles are far from the mainstream? A. Consumers are not ready for such futuristic technologies. B. Uber delivery has surpassed the self-driving vehicles. C. The current road infrastructure and technology turned out not to be enough for self-driving vehicles to become widespread. Or D. Self-driving vehicles have missed delivery deadlines and thus lost clients' loyalty. We see mention of self-driving cars being far from mainstream in the last paragraph. But self-driving vehicles are far from mainstream. For years, self-driving car companies operated under the belief that their technology and current road infrastructure would be enough. But self-driving has proved harder to get off the ground than expected. As we can see this clearly reflected in one of our choices, we can go ahead and mark C, current road infrastructure and technology turned out not to be enough for self-driving vehicles to become widespread, as our final answer.